The installation and commissioning of over 130 units of advanced production equipment were successfully completed by the Perm-based enterprise UEC-STAR in 2025. UEC-STAR is a subsidiary of the United Engine Corporation within Russia's Rostec State Corporation. As Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel producing this analysis, explains, the newly deployed machining centers, milling systems, turning machines, and other specialized units were selected specifically to meet the technical and production needs of UEC-STAR. Their introduction marks a major step toward increasing manufacturing throughput and accelerating production of key units for the PD-8 and PD-14 aircraft engines, which power Russia's next-generation civil aircraft programs, including the Superjet and the MC-21. This modernization of UEC-STAR's production base is part of a broader industrial strategy pursued by the United Engine Corporation to strengthen domestic aircraft engine manufacturing capabilities. UEC-STAR occupies a specialized role within the corporation, focusing on the development and production of automatic control systems for gas turbine engines. These include hydromechanical units and digital electronic regulators, which play a decisive role in stable engine operation, fuel efficiency, and compliance with modern reliability standards. One of the most notable achievements of 2025 was the large-scale renewal of the machine tool fleet at UEC-STAR. Across multiple production facilities, more than 130 new machines were delivered and installed. According to Altitude Addicts, this modernization program includes high-performance milling machining centers, turret lathes, surface grinding machines, universal cylindrical grinding machines, as well as vacuum and shaft furnaces designed for advanced heat treatment processes. The introduction of these systems allows UEC-STAR to optimize manufacturing workflows, streamline technological chains, and significantly reduce non-productive delays. By replacing aging equipment with modern, domestically produced machines, the enterprise reduces reliance on external suppliers and improves production stability. This is particularly critical for aviation components, where precision, repeatability, and consistency are mandatory. As explained by Ilya Kolnevsky, chief engineer of UEC-STAR, the new equipment forms the technical foundation for steadily increasing both quality and output. He also noted that in 2026, the enterprise plans to master machining of components for Red 8 and Red 14 electronic engine regulators on newly installed 5-axis machining centers. These regulators are essential for the transition of PD-8 and PD-14 engines to full-scale serial production. A key element of the modernization effort is the deployment of 5-axis machining centers in the mechanical production area. 8 VFC 800 VI 5-axis machining centers have already been commissioned at UEC-STAR, with 3 additional machines currently undergoing final calibration and setup. These machines were developed in line with UEC-STAR's technical specifications and the unique demands of aviation component manufacturing. 5-axis machining centers can perform multiple operations in a single setup, including drilling, precision hole machining, thread cutting, straight-line milling, and complex contour milling. This capability reduces the need for multiple machines, improves dimensional accuracy, and shortens setup time. Altitude Addicts highlights that this is especially important for electronic engine control components with complex geometries and extremely tight tolerances. By machining parts in a single clamping, the risk of cumulative errors is greatly reduced and overall product quality is improved. As a result, the adoption of 5-axis machining directly contributes to higher reliability and longer service life of engine control units. Beyond machining centers, UEC-STAR has also introduced advanced technologies for metal cutting and material preparation. These stages are crucial because the quality of raw blanks directly affects the efficiency and accuracy of later machining processes. The forging and pressing facility has been equipped with a modern laser cutting system for rapid and precise cutting of metal sheets and profiles. A similar laser-based plotter has been installed in the galvanic thermal shop, while the tool shop has received a water jet cutting complex designed for large and dense components. Water jet cutting is particularly valuable in aviation manufacturing because it allows high-strength alloys to be processed without thermal distortion. This preserves material properties that are critical for parts exposed to high mechanical and thermal loads. The modernization of UEC-STAR is directly linked to the ramp-up of the PD-8 and PD-14 engine programs, which are pillars of Russia's civil aviation strategy. The PD-14 is a high-bypass turbofan developed for the MC-21 aircraft, featuring digital control systems, advanced materials, and improved aerodynamics to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The PD-8, derived from the PD-14 core, is intended for regional aircraft such as the Superjet and plays a key role in replacing foreign power plants. The electronic regulators and hydromechanical units produced by UEC-STAR directly affect thrust control, engine responsiveness, and operational safety of both engines. As Altitude Addicts notes, expanding production capacity at UEC-STAR helps synchronize engine output with aircraft assembly schedules, reducing bottlenecks across the entire program. From a strategic perspective, investment in new equipment at UEC-STAR reflects a long-term commitment to strengthening Russia's domestic aircraft engine industry. Under an investment agreement with regional authorities, the enterprise plans to continue expanding capacity in the coming years, with a focus on serial production of engine control units for current and future programs. In addition to immediate production gains, the modernization effort enhances technological sovereignty by embedding advanced manufacturing capabilities within the domestic industrial base. It also supports workforce development, as engineers and operators gain hands-on experience with complex, digitally controlled machine tools. In conclusion, the commissioning of more than 130 units of advanced production equipment at UEC-STAR in 2025 represents a major milestone for both the enterprise and the United Engine Corporation as a whole. By modernizing its machine tool fleet and adopting cutting-edge machining and cutting technologies, UEC-STAR has significantly increased throughput, improved component quality, and reinforced its role in supporting the PD-8 and PD-14 engine programs. This effort not only accelerates current aircraft engine projects, but also lays a strong technological foundation for future advances in Russia's civil aviation sector.
In DK-STAR, we are also associated with aviation, civil aviation, ground topics, electrical installations, gas pumping stations. We realized that it is necessary to develop and expand in order to actually find the machines we need according to our technical specifications. Two enterprises, DK-STAR Enterprises, Southern Plant of Heavy Machine Tool Construction. We agreed among ourselves that LDK-STAR specialists working inside the mechanic will participate in the fort of the machine. In fact, the solution is very cool and they assembled it faster, helped to set up and launch a start for the enterprise, including reducing the installation time of the machine. This is also a profitable topic. In my opinion, everything is obvious. The stronger the machine tool industry in the country, the more chances you have for the development of Russian machine tool industry. It is an element of mountains, knowledge of design, knowledge of cutting, knowledge of metals, kinematics. Machine tools are important here. In programming, the mathematics of the machine is very large. The volume of knowledge is the work of more than one person. It is not even dozens of people. That is, this is the accumulated knowledge base of previous generations, and patriotically, including, it is much more acceptable to realize that such a complex thing as 5 coordinates, said Tasha, the country has mastered.
If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.